Hey Noah, wagwan Alex.
Now we're in Harry Potter land. Noah here sitting in the giant donut chair. Noah, what's the code that they gave?
Someone put in the pool. I'm knowing this. It's Noah's shop.
All right, everyone, we got Noah and Alex here. We're about to head out to Miami first. We got to go eat there first, and then you guys can chill in the pool, because tomorrow, what are we going to do?
Aqua Miami Camp.
That's right. It should be pretty fun. A lot of training, but a lot of fun as well. And then later this week, we'll probably head to Pans and then do some Universal Orlando stuff. All right, we landed a few hours ago, had some snafus getting a rental car, but we're finally here. All right, after the long day we had up until now, we're over here. Noah's ready to chow down. As you can tell, he's fighting a little bit already into it. All right, Noah, go ahead and take a bite into your food. Noah got the steak and cheese tacos, and of course added some queso. As you can see, there's no more left here. All right, Noah, what do you think? What do you think? Nice, nice. All right, Miss Alex, your turn.
Okay, I'm excited to try this.
All right, where'd you get the smash burger? All right,
Yeah.
let's see it. Pretty good?
Very good.
All right, and I myself got the same, but I added an egg and an extra patty. And as you can tell, I don't like to eat buns, I prefer lettuce. Noah's mom over here got the 222 looking all fancy. All right. All right, y'all know the drill. Noah and Alex here, day one. Enjoying the night after a long day of training. It's about 8:45 p.m. These two crazy kids have been training since 8:30 out from Miami and still have energy to keep going. Day two, got these two ready to go again.
Chubby cheeks.
After a long drive up north from Miami, finally made it to our room here at Universal Cabana Bay Resort. As you can see, we got kind of a view here from the room. That's pretty cool, huh? One heck of a view. What do you think?
It's amazing. Yeah. I'm excited to ride the rides.
Heck yeah. All right, looks like after all that walking, we did make it. We made it here to the City Walk, Universal. Looking around, we'll probably grab a bite to eat somewhere and then hit up that chocolate factory. Get some chocolate, that'll be pretty fun. Noah here sitting in the giant donut chair. Now it's Alex's turn. Let's go check it out. All right, looks like Noah and Alex found a place to eat. Always take a moment to enjoy the simple things in life. As you can see, Noah and his mom here. What are they enjoying most? AC. That's right, guys, the AC. All right, we're at Hard Rock Cafe waiting for our food. I got a great joke for you kiddos here. Noah, why did the pink floating car get a ticket? As you can see, the pink car over here.
Why? Because there's no cars.
Because what?
There's no
Nope. Close. Why did the pink floating car get a ticket? Come on, come on. For parking in the deep end. No? Melody? I thought it was pretty funny. All right, stay tuned for more amazing jokes by me. All right, everyone, we just finished eating at the Hard Rock Cafe. We're about to go to the Chocolate Emporium. All right, this place looks legit. What do you think, Noah? Are you pretty excited about this one? All right, let's go see. All right, here we go. There goes Noah. Come on, Noah, let's show everyone how strong you are. All right, that's good enough, thank you. Let's see what Noah's gonna pick out of everything there. He's gonna pick an M&M candy apple. All right, that's his choice. All right, we haven't left the store. Noah already has to take his first bite already, of course. This apple, what do you think? Is it pretty good? Is it Willy Wonka approved? All right, what'd you get, Alex?
This like cake thingy.
A cake
Cookies
thingy,
and
guys.
cream.
You guys hear that? It's cake thingy. All right, guys. In case you're wondering what's going on, it looks like they made everyone get out of the pool. Is that correct, Alex? No, we didn't. Don't say it. No, but for reals though, everyone got out of the pool. So the first thing we did was look for lightning. You guys see that up there? Zero clouds. Zero clouds. So it's definitely not lightning. But there's a rumor out. And Noah, what's the code that they gave?
Someone pooped in the pool.
Did you guys hear that? Someone pooped in the pool. There's a code brown. So next time you guys go to pools, remember, don't poop in pools. That's not cool, guys. Not cool. All right, we're having breakfast before we hit both Universal parks, and it's gonna apparently start out with the joke of the day. How do cows cut the grass?
How do they cut grass, Noah? By eating it.
No, with the lawn mower. All right, we've made it. Took a few buses here, a few trams here, cut some people off by walking fast. And it looks like day one, AKA we're gonna hit Universal Islands and Studios. You guys pumped? All right, go ahead, lead the way, let's go. All right, we made our walk. We're about to enter Islands of Adventure. We got the express pass, so we're gonna go through this park hopefully pretty quick. It looks like we made it to Dr. Seuss land.
Miss Jump. We looked and we saw him stepping on the map. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
I call those thing 1 and thing 2.
Oh, I love it.
Oh boy. Oy.
I always pick up my playthings. So I will show you another good trick that I know. Hands and feet inside the vehicle.
You like that? About to get on the Dr. Seuss train. You see those rides over there? Why is your net underneath?
Now, A is for apple, as everyone knows. Too bad we don't happen to have some of those. At the new Magoo Zoo, you'll find King Kerchoo lording it all over K
This
and
olive
L, too.
oil. God dang.
When you come down the road, did you happen to see a sign for Village? Now you can see we're heading for Sneechtown. Here to see us from many great nations.
Headlines! National coverage! Man, you shouldn't be out here.
With Doc Ock on the host, this could be the most dangerous night of my life. And yours. Be careful. Nice shades.
That's why you're that close. Hey, what's going on? What was that? Did you think you're getting out of here? You're in for it. You're even worse than your haircut. Nothing's good enough for your sitting duck friend. How about this? Hey, wait for me! You're not insured for this! Hang on, I'm letting you down from here.
All right, walking through the rest of Marvel Land here. Noah, you just went on the Spider-Man one. What'd you think? That was pretty good? Yeah. Oh yeah, there's Captain America. Looking a little weak over there. All right, I guess when you travel with kids, oh, what happened? The rain cloud turned off. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it doesn't, I guess. Oh boy, there you go. Billy Noah was not expecting. Oh, he doesn't care. All right. All right, next up, it looks like we're doing Popeye's ride, apparently. All right, everyone, after seeing everyone get off, Noah's mom and I made an executive decision and we just sent the kids off by themselves. Apparently people are gonna get too wet and me and mom are out. We're not doing that. We're about to find out how wet these two got. Oh yeah. Looks like Noah's mom and I made a very smart decision. Wow. All right, this is a nice thing they got going on here. As soon as you get all wet, they have you pay $7 to get in the people dryer. And like I said, we were gonna try to get more wet, and by we I mean they. And but apparently the ride is delayed. I know the kids are a little bit sad, but it looks pretty cool. We'll check it out later, see if they're open. Stay tuned.
Jurassic Park.
All right, we're finally about to get on the next ride here. It's called Skull Island. I guess it's King Kong's newest ride. Should be pretty legit.
Remember, just about everything on this island wants to kill you.
Oh, all right.
What did he say?
Everything on this island wants to kill you. All right.
Okay. Keep your eyes wide open. And I thought we grew things big in Texas.
We agreed to get on the ride, but we wanted to not be in the front row. Guess where we are? Yes, we're in the front. Alex, you excited? Careful, Alex. Looks under. Oh, he's playing peekaboo. Oh! Why is the bus moving? We're going at about a... Almost lost my cool there. The Lasso Coaster. What could possibly go wrong, right, Alex? Alright, now we're in Harry Potter land.
Welcome to Olivant. So which hand do you use for your wand? So one of these wands, please. No. No. Yes. Clearly not the right thing there. That's all right. Whoa! No. Meteorologics! Ricardo! Take that thing.
Alright, we're about to get on the motorcycle of Hagrid. This is the new Harry Potter ride. Look at that castle. Hey, no, what's that over there? Alright, we just finished doing Hagrid's ride, motorcycle. And now it looks like Noah and Alex are gonna get their first beer. Alright, apparently they have a store called All Hallows Eve Boutique. And if y'all know anything about Noah's mom, she loves Halloween. Y'all hear that? The Hogwarts train. Yeah.
Oh my god, I love it so much! I get one of these.
Wow.
Yeah, mate, we'll never catch you now.
Alex, right. We got Noah and Alex here.
Hey, Noah. Wagwan, Alex.
All right, as y'all know, Noah's chopped. Noah's a big MMA guy, so we gotta check out Poe's Kung Fu Training Camp.
Hey guys, so after the theme park, so that big water ride, something happened to our feet.
Let's see the feet. Whoa, they look like ghost feet.
It is. Pics. If you want to take a picture of our feet, go ahead.
That's so funny. All right, so after a long day, we did 2 Universal parks, Universal Islands and Universal Studios. Tomorrow is Pans. Should be good.